Hello everyone. Hello everyone. We are back again. And of course, when I start to color, I forget the time. So I was coloring, and when I checked the camera videoing, I had already stopped. So this will be my, I'm going to finish up this snake, the underbelly, and then we'll get some of these content loaded up so that you guys can see it. So I'm going to finish up the underbelly of the snake, and of course, if I continue to get involved and it shuts off, just know, always stay inspired and color, color, color. I went to check the video and it was already finished. So, so I knew I was going to come back to my darker pencil because we want to create a nice transition. So now I'm going to just get some black to create some real, where's my 29? Let me sharpen it. $29, just right at the edges. Are you done? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm on my break.
Oh, you're on your break? You gonna get something to eat?
I'm not really hungry. I got my next break is lunch.
Oh, okay.
This break is only 10 minutes.
Let me grab that other pencil out. Um, just make sure. Okay, you see how that black makes that snake pop? And because this is such a, I'm going to be using more of the black. Just a fine line of black here. Nothing, I just ever so lightly. It's like eyeliner. You know, we use eyeliner to just make the eyes more dramatic. Some put it on thick. Some put it on light. It's all about preference. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to keep pushing it. Let's see what we have. See what it looks like. She's coming out just fine. All right, that looks good. Let me see if I can zoom in, guys. Because you know my zooming skills. I'm blaming on the camera. Okay, so that looks like a good snake. At least the underbelly. And I think these lines here, I'm going to make a little bit of shading at the lines as well. Okay, so let's see. I think that's close enough. Let's get my, I'm going to use, I'm going to have to buy a box of these number 75s. I'm going to sharpen her up. That's if I can get her in the sharpener. Okay, I can get her. I'm just going to do this. And as always, thanks for watching. I love coloring. Everyone has a hobby, if you know it or not. Just gotta find it. I just enjoy doing things with my hands and seeing what my mind's eye will give me when I wait till we go to the dollhouses. You think coloring is my niche? I also do dollhouses. So, but I want to do the dollhouses when it gets to be a little colder. And I've got like 13 dollhouses that I've completed. See? Okay, how's that? Now I can even go deeper. There, how's that? I can probably go one more. But I'm going to use my pen, this pen, just right underneath. Just underneath. What's up?
Don't mind me. Just leaving you a note.
Leaving me a note. Alright, hold on, let me just finish this. How many minutes do I have left?
21.
What's my battery on?
Where does it? Oh, it's like kind of a quarter of the way.
Okay, which means it's going to go off in a minute.
Yeah.
That's okay because I have enough content.
It's a little bit less than half.
Yeah. Just like eyeliner again.
Move your picture up.
Good.
Move it right there.
Okay.
They could see like the snake head. They couldn't see when you draw them.
Oh, okay. Little band here. I'm going to take advantage of. There you go. All right, let's see how that looks. That looks very, very good. Very, very good. So we're going to keep going. Keep working on the snake. And then we'll go do another snake on the other side. Alright, so now we're going to go to the outside of the snake. And let's see. Pretty much like her face. I'm probably going to use the same. I won't use too much of the yellow because I want him to be darker on top. What chips?
The dynamite. I'm gonna want a sandwich.
Alex, you're eating too much of those chips. You gotta be careful.
Well, I was gonna put them on a sandwich. You know, like meat and cheese. It's so good.
Alright. Okay, so now we're going to work on the outside. So let's talk about what we're going to do. We want to create, just got to keep looking at the snake. I'm going to be in here, and I'm going to use 75 again, but I don't know if I want to use this color for the snake. Definitely this for a darker, the shading, 111. but probably 111, 142, and then we're gonna come over here. 111, yes. 142, yes. And I guess 75 again. No, I won't use 75 again. I will use 151. How about that? So 42.